Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to shoot 8K videos with your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First, you need to open the camera on your Samsung S25 Ultra. All you need to do is to choose the option video. Now you need to tap on these four dots right here, then tap on the setting gear icon. It will bring you here. From here you can change this option, auto EPS. All you need to do, FPS, frame per second. You can choose 30 or 60. I choose this one, and I suggest you choose the same. Now you need to go back, and right at the top you will find the UHD 60 right here. So once you tap on that one, here you can select the size, HD, FHD, and 8K. So if I select 8K, I will go back. There is no option that I can select the 60 frame per second. So I have to select 30, and from now just starting to shoot your video. Now, if you tap on the more option right here, and then you go to the Pro video. Now in the Pro video, here you will find the option. If you tap right here, and it will bring you right here UHD, and here in the Pro video option you will find UHD into 120 frame per second, which is more good quality. From here you can select 8K as well, but that again is 30 frame per second. If you select UHD, you can go up to even 120. So it will make it look more crisp, more fluid. So guys, this is how you can change the setting and record 8K videos or 4K videos on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.